Welcome to Tool Zone. In this episode, you'll see how real pros turn routine work into pure visual poetry. From smooth, precise moves to jaw-dropping results, it's all here. Get ready to be amazed. At first, it looks like he's just splashing around in muddy water, but stick around, there's purpose behind every step, and the result is worth the mess. Installing an air conditioner on a skyscraper isn't for the faint of heart. It takes real experience and nerves of steel. This automatic pallet jack works like a silent ninja, lifting and gliding with precision. With a helper like that, even the cargo seems eager to get to work. Who knew a raven could make the perfect firewood assistant? It seems like it's earning a cozy seat by the fire this winter. Now this is high-end culinary craftsmanship. Stylish, inventive, and skillful. Chefs like this are few and far between. Plain cotton candy? Meh. But when the pros get creative with it, it becomes a colorful, mouth-watering masterpiece. Lace making with bobbins is an art that takes serious skill, focus, and endless patience, but the final result is pure elegance. Working roadside with heavy machinery isn't for the faint-hearted, but for seasoned professionals, even the toughest jobs become routine. With precision and teamwork, they turn chaos into craftsmanship. Who would have thought a regular Coca-Cola bottle could be turned into a piece of art? With skilled hands and a bit of know-how, a true craftsman transforms the ordinary into something exceptional. Ready to start roofing? The worker is all set, tools at the ready. It's just a matter of fastening everything down correctly. Watching him paint the ceiling is like witnessing choreography. Steady hands, perfect strokes, and not a drop out of place. It's not just painting, it's performance art on a ladder. Ever wonder how wooden toys come to life? A bit of glue, a few taps of the hammer, and somehow it all feels like the work of a magician. What is this enormous dish they're cooking up? No idea, but the process looks incredible, and it's got my appetite going. Extracting honey from the comb requires a delicate and careful approach. When music runs in your veins, even the simplest object becomes an instrument. Ever seen shoes being repaired with cork? It's a surprisingly fascinating process. Now that's some serious speed. This person's working like a machine. Right before your eyes, the straw-colored coconut turns green, and with a splash of purple, it transforms into something magical, shifting color depending on the light. Safety protocols? Looks like they didn't get the memo. If you're a perfectionist, this clip will be pure bliss. How do you like the outcome of this dish staining process? The Stone Symphony truly hits all the right notes. Better keep your eyes open, who knows when a cat or dog might make a surprise entrance. This video is pure deliciousness. There's something oddly soothing about watching candy being made. It's like the visual equivalent of watching waves or a crackling fire. To pull off chocolate like this, you need more than skill. You need a little magic, pure artistry in every swirl. Leveling slopes for road construction isn't easy. You need compact powerhouses. Here, precision and scale must work hand in hand. Some factory processes are so satisfying that you forget to blink. You're not alone. This kind of content is pure visual therapy. Despite having powerful machines at their disposal, this crew prefers traditional tools and craftsmanship. Their massive woodwork project showcases patience, precision, and master-level skill.